Can you? Could you? Would you? If I want someone to help me, which one should I use? Should I ask, can you help me? Could you help me? Or would you help me? So today we're going to look at the differences between these. The first thing that we need to understand is that there are many different ways that we can use can, could, and would. Can is often used for ability. I can swim. Can you speak English? Could is often used for ability in the past. When I was a child, I could swim very fast. It's also used for possibility. It could rain later today. Would is often used for things that are not real. If I were a dog, I would eat dog food. So there's many ways that we can use can, could, and would. But we need to understand that in this video, we are only talking about using them to make requests, using them when we want someone to do something for us. So how are they different in this situation? First, let's look at can and could. Can you help me? Could you help me? They mean the same thing. These mean, I want you to help me. I'm not 100% sure if you can and if you will, so I'm asking you. But could you is a little bit more polite. 90% of the time, talking to my friends and my family, I probably use can you when I make a request. But if I'm talking to guests, customers, students, my boss, I would probably use could you, just because it's a little bit more polite. But they mean the same thing. So then, what about would you? We use would you when we are quite sure that this person can do the thing. Would you really means, I know that you can, but I'm not sure if you will. I know you can do this for me, but I'm not sure if you will do it. I'm not sure if you want to help me. And when we use would you, it really means, okay, for example, when we say, would you help me, it really means, please help me. But please help me is less polite because it is an order. And ordering someone to do something is not very polite. So, if we make it a question, it becomes more polite. Would you help me? Means the same thing as please help me, but it's polite because it's a question. So, can you and could you mean the same thing. They mean, not sure if you can help me, can you help me? But could you is a little bit more polite. Would you is a bit different because it means, I think you can help me, will you help me? But really, native English speakers don't think too much about this. You can use any of them in most situations, and the meaning will still be the same. This is something that you should pay attention to, but it's not something that you should worry about too much because there's not a big difference between them.